Hi all, myself KK Singh, and today I'm going to discuss in the same sequence of Google Sheets some another function or the feature of the Google Sheets. So when you see the sheet, Google Sheet, the same layout like characters black and background white and grid black. So doesn't you don't you think these colors are not attractive colors? Sometimes, not always, sometimes it looks that there should be some change. So, how to change the colors of the Google Sheet? Means the border should be in one color, cells in another color. There are different colors we can apply on the Google Sheet so that it looks beautiful. So, mean to say that if we want to give the aesthetic look to our Google Sheet, then nothing like it. Okay, so this is my sheet. If you see this sheet here, this is the data, and data is in black and white, and the background is white, and the table lines are also in black. So this way we can say sometimes there should be some change. So this time I'm going to give some changes to this sheet by using Google Sheets feature alternating colors. So alternating colors will change the colors of the Google Sheet, means the color of the cells, the color of the header, color of the footer. So how to do this? For that, we'll move to Format tab of main menu. So first we have to select the sheet or the range or the area in which you want to apply alternating colors of Google Sheets. So see here, this is the area in which I want to apply alternating colors. For that, I'll click on the format menu, and on format menu, go downwards and select alternating colors. This. So as soon as you click on the alternating colors, it automatically gives some predefined colors to this sheet. So here, if you see in right panel or right pan, this is the area in which we are applying the alternating colors. So header is already selected. If I uncheck this, header gets unselected. So again, I am going to select it. And here there are default styles if you want to apply. So the predefined style, first style is already applied. Second, if you want to, third, if you like this, if you like this, if you like this, it depends on you. If you like this, you can apply this. So whichever you want, you can apply this with magenta colors. If you like this, you can apply this. But other than these colors, the user is privileged to create its own pattern. So how to do this? For that, this is called the custom styles. So I am going to change the colors of my own choice. So what I am going to do here, I am going to select the colors. Suppose header color, this is header color. I am going to take this. Okay. And for rest of the alternate lines or rows, I am going to change the color. Like first I am going to take this. This is very dark, no issue, background is dark. And the second one is bit lighter. For that, what I have decided, I will change the color of the characters. so that characters should also look brighter. So character color I am going to change to white, correct? So this is the color which we have applied, or I have applied on this Google Sheet. So if you like this color or like this pattern, then apply and say done. Say done. Or if you don't like it or if you want to change, you can change it. From my side it is done. And if you want to apply another color, if you want to which I created earlier, I can apply this also. I can apply this also. I can apply this also. So I am going to apply this. I think this is better. So if you want to cancel, then click on cancel, and if you want to adopt it, then done. So this is the look of my Google Sheet after applying alternating colors. So hope you like this technique of changing the colors of the cells or rows of the cells or header of the sheet in different colors. So if you like it, then kindly apply in your practice, apply in your working, and share it with your friends also, how to apply alternating colors in Google Sheets. And if you have not subscribed, this is my request. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. And this is the motivation to me to do or to create more videos on different topics of technology or Google tools. Fine, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.